Taking video. Mommy. Next to the deer. Where?
Gosh, there's a deer.
Deer? Yeah, sleeping. Let me see.
Picture of it.
It's a big one.
What? It's an adult.
It's a big one. See it, Plan? Right there. He's taking a nap. Yeah,
Get down, brother. You can get his face.
I see it. The deer.
No, get going. Do you want water?
Remember you said Mommy couldn't have water because she was taking too many pictures?
No. Okay, nobody wants water. Now we go down, down, down.
Down.
You guys stay put. Slow up.
Video. Kuya, you're a yellow monkey today.
Look at the cabin, Mommy. Look at the cabin.
Yeah.
Very good in there.
How's your shoe snack?
Good. See, that's right. See? Look at the cabin. Yep. That's right. Push it out.
Chantel,
I'm
See, they got
blocking your
telephone.
view.
There's a fire, then they call.
what?
See, Mommy, you could go up there all the way up and then come back down.
You go to the very tippy top. But no. Mommy doesn't want to.
That's a dead end.
Imagine how good the view would be.
That's a dead end.
There would be snow up there, Mommy. We could
Hey, you should
roll
take
the play in it.
pictures from here.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm here. We didn't get a
Mommy,
good
you
one.
made us restart. That goes back to the...
Cars.
We're going to the rainforest. Hey, come here.
Get over here.
No, that goes back to the car.
I know.
We're going to the Amazon rainforest.